Most rollout problems don't come from bad intent. They come from good ideas applied at the wrong moment. I've watched that happen more than once. The first mistake is announcing it too loudly. Big rollout meeting. Long, detailed explanations. Suddenly, the staff is thinking, wait, what am I supposed to be doing differently? And the answer is usually nothing. Restaurants don't need more announcements. They need fewer interruptions. The best changes don't need narration. If friction is reduced upstream, then the people feel it downstream. No explanation needed. When no one has to remember something new, adoption happens naturally. That's when a change sticks. Another common mistake is starting training sessions. Slide decks, walkthroughs, hands-on workshops. Training matters, but it shouldn't lead with feature explanations. If a system needs explaining before it helps, that's already asking too much. Instead of teaching how it works, operators should let everyone experience it work. When questions stop coming, no explanation is required. Results train themselves. Another trap is trying to turn everything on immediately. Every feature, every modifier, every edge case. Restaurants don't break because they lack ambition. They break because change stacks up during already busy weeks. Momentum tends to matter more than completeness. Start where friction is loudest, where questions come up, where the interruptions happen, where memory is stressed the most. Solve one pressure point well. Confidence builds organically when relief comes early. Some teams expect everything to be flawless from day one. Others hover. They still watch every order, correct early, step in fast. Both come from the same place, wanting things to go well. But systems need a little room to settle. If you intervene constantly, you never get to see that relief that happens naturally. What works is starting small. Let the menu speak clarity for itself. Let staff feel relief before learning anything new. Let benefits show up during real shifts. When people feel helped, they lean in without being pushed. Successful rollouts don't feel managed. They feel absorbed. The biggest mistake isn't moving too slowly. It's trying to step in so much that you get in the system's way. When change removes work quietly, restaurants adapt the way that they always have. Naturally. And under pressure.